Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to have some differences and some samenesses. The different thing is, while I'm going to Bellevue, that's the sameness. The difference is I'm going to go to a different location, and that location is called the Spring District, which is relatively new. It's a former area that was formerly mostly light industrial, some warehouses and light manufacturing. It is now mixed use. It's got some offices, including, I believe, Facebook has an office there. Residential, condo, apartments, things like that. So I'm going to go explore that area. Some of the architecture I've seen online looks interesting, so we're going to see what that looks like. So my approach when I'm going to a new place is kind of to go slowly quick. So here's what I mean by that. I'm going to start with kind of a quick survey of the area, walk around, see things, and then go back again slowly and kind of notice the details and things like that. So for my camera gear today, I'm using the X-H2S as the photo and video camera, for this at least. The POV camera will still be the GoPro Hero 9. 3 lenses today. I'm bringing the Viltrox 13mm f1.4, which is recording this right now. I'm bringing the Fujinon 16-80 f4 and the 70-300 f4 to 5.6 as the zooms, and all of that in Peak Design Sling 10-liter bag. So that's the kit. That's the plan. It's gray again. I think it's supposed to burn off. It's supposed to get into the mid-80s. Currently, it's in the low 50s. That's why the flannel. So sit back, relax, enjoy the photos coming up. We'll see what I find in the Spring District, a new location, and I will check in with you after the photos. Hello again, and hope you enjoyed those photos that were a little different and a lot the same as photos you've seen before on this channel. That location in the Spring District is relatively small. It's probably 4 to 8 square blocks or so. It's growing. It's about probably, I think, about halfway in its construction process. So that'll be a site I will visit again down the road. Also thinking it would be fun to go back at night. There's a lot of those party lights, kind of like I have in the corner here in a lot of the different locations. So it'll be interesting to see what that looks like at night. Additionally, it'll be interesting to see what it looks like as the build out is completed over the next few years. So stay tuned for more from the Spring District. Another couple thoughts on those photos. You'll notice at the beginning, especially, the sky is very gray and flat. It was an overcast day. You'll also notice there's a little bit of a color cast to some of those photos, and that's because we were getting a little bit of smoke from forest fires from Northern California and Oregon coming up in our area. So that was affecting the colors just a little bit, especially when it was mostly gray. Some of those buildings were really cool. A couple of them had some really cool modern architectural elements to them that were fun to photograph. I'm sure they'll be fun to visit again in different light, especially on a blue sky, cloudy day with all those reflections bouncing around. Those of you who have been here for a while, I hope you noticed the little homage to my downtown Bellevue photos with the crane reflection in the window. Just kind of fun to find some thematic things to carry forward in different photo venues. So let me know what your thoughts are on these photos. Love to hear your feedback. Please leave that in the comments below and love to have conversation with you. Looking ahead to next week's photo video thing, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to the fair. So I'm going to go to the Washington State Fair, which if you've lived in Washington State for a while, you know it used to be called doing the Puyallup because it's in Puyallup, Washington. So I'll be doing that all day from pretty much around 11 o'clock to probably around 8:30 or 9 o'clock, depending on sunset time and darkness. And I want to do some long exposure photos of the rides and movement and light trails at night, see what that looks like, plus the different atmosphere of night around the concessions and different events. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm thinking that's going to probably be a 3-part video. I like to try and keep these videos somewhere between 8 and 12 or 13 minutes. So I'm thinking 2 videos during the day and then maybe 1 for the nighttime. So if you have any feedback or thoughts on that, love to receive it. If you have any suggestions for places to go, things to eat at the fair, I'll also love to have that in the comments below. Looking forward to that. So thanks again for sticking around for this video in a new location. Look forward to seeing your comments and having conversation with you. And I also look forward to seeing you in the next video. So until then, stay safe, stay well, and have fun creating photos. Bye for now.